Strength Camp Week 7, upper body 3x3x3. What that means is you have a grouping of 3 exercises, repeat them 3 times through 9 minutes, then move to the next grouping. The first grouping is a push focus. You're going to be doing a chest press. You can be using a bench or the floor, dumbbells or barbell lying on your back, pressing those weights up and then slowly lowering them back down. Make sure you press through those heels, press those weights up. And then you're going to do push-ups next. So getting into that high plank position, lowering yourself down, pushing yourself back up, squeezing the glutes. Option, take it to the knees, or complete it from an incline. And then you have this supinated delt raise. So you're going to grab yourself a set of dumbbells, palms facing up for that supinated grip, lifting those weights up, squeezing the pecs together, and lifting through the shoulders up, squeeze, and lower back down. Option there, reduce the weight, or just work it with just one dumbbell only. That's grouping 1, 1 minute at each, 3 times through each, and then move to the next grouping. Next one's focusing on shoulder stability. So we have a kettlebell, I'm going to call it a kettlebell skier, swing to bottoms up, hold. So set up weights in front, pull, squeeze, bottoms up, swing back, hinge, back to the bottoms up position, down and back up. So using lighter dumbbells until you're comfortable. Trying to keep those elbows up at 90. How you're holding the kettlebell will affect this stability. This is going to be the hardest position. Option to hold that kettlebell kind of at that knob area instead. Then you have an L raise for the shoulders, so working the frontal and lateral planes at the same time. Up and down, making that 90 degree. Notice my hips aren't moving and my body's still facing forwards. I'm not twisting in any way to meet that. Option, have a little bit more of a bend in the elbow to lift. And then you got the side plank rotations. So setting up high plank position, squeeze the glutes, rotate over to one side, reach the sky, back through to center, squeeze the glutes, rotate over, just flip-flopping back and forth. Option, you can complete this from your knee, keeping that top leg straight over top, back through to center, rotate over. And then the third grouping is going to be the pull group. We're going to do a kettlebell pull over. So you're going to grab your kettlebell. I'm going to make sure you can see me. There we go. Arms are straight, slight micro bend in the elbow. Reach the kettlebell up and over, and then pull through the lats to bring the kettlebell back through. So the lats are behind you there. Making sure the elbows don't bend, because if you're doing this one, that's a totally different exercise. So just pulling over and squeezing the lats. Then you have a banded row. So I'm sure Good Life has the cable machine, so you're welcome to do the seated cable row for this one here. So just setting up the band under the feet, and then proud chest, squeezing those shoulder blades down and back, and then coming back together. So on the cable, you just use the handle and pull like that. And then you've got a plank pull through to finish this one off. Setting up in that high plank position, squeezing, taking the opposite hand across, pulling that dumbbell through. So making sure the hips don't sway as you work that pull through. So from the front, it's opposite hand reaches across and slides it through. You can take this one from the knees as well. You can adjust the resistance by picking a heavier or lighter weight. Hope it goes well. This one's fun. Yeah, this one's a lot of fun, working all the different parts of the upper body.